So now we will study about application of differentiation. It is actually a part of differentiation, but it is application. First one is Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem is saying that let f from a to b, closed interval a to b to r, set of real number, be a continuous on closed interval a b and differentiable on open interval a b, such that f of a is equal to f of b. A and B are two real numbers. Then there exists a C in open interval AB such that f dash C is equal to 0. This is called what? Rolle's theorem. That means fx is a function defined on closed interval AB and it is differentiable on open interval AB. F of A is equal to f of B. F of A is equal to f of B means at the extreme points, that means these two are equal. F of A is equal to, this is our f of A, this is our f of B, and these two should be equal. Then there exists a point C such that f dash C is equal to 0. What is f dash C 0? F dash C 0 means what you can say, fc is a constant. Fc is a constant. That means fx is constant at fx is constant at c. So we can define Rolle's theorem like this. F is a function defined on closed interval AB, differentiable in open interval AB, and f of A is equal to f of B. Then there exists a and a C in open interval. That means C is in between A and B such that f dash C is equal to 0. This is called what? Rolle's theorem. I will explain once again. What is it? Fx is continuous in closed interval A. What do you mean closed interval? Closed interval means A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. That means including A and B. And Fx is differentiable in open interval AB. That means A less than X less than B. It is a excluding A and B. And next one is f of A is equal to what? F of B. That means value of function at extremities are equal. That means at A and B. Then there exists a C in open interval AB, that is in between A and B, such that f dot C is equal to 0. This is called what? Rolle's theorem. What is Rolle's theorem? Fx is a function continuous in closed interval AB, differentiable in open interval AB, f of A is equal to f of B. Then there is a C in open interval AB such that f dot C is equal to 0. Remember always, all polynomial functions are continuous. All polynomial functions are continuous. Similarly, all trigonometric functions are continuous. All polynomial functions are continuous. Similarly, all trigonometric functions are continuous. Now, what is continuous? Before that, I have to the continuity means a function is continuous if limit extends to a f of x is equal to what? F of a. That means limiting value of the function at x is equal to a, that is equal to value of the function at x is equal to, then we can say that function is continuous. Function is continuous. Then about differentiability, you know, and the next one is f of a is equal to f of b. So always remember, all polynomial functions are continuous, all trigonometric functions are continuous. Similarly, limit extends, continuity definition is like this only, limit extends to f of x is equal to f of a. But here in this Rolle's theorem, no need to prove that it is continuous or not. So we will discuss about continuity problem later. Now, verify Rolle's theorem for the function x squared plus 2x minus 8 on closed interval minus 4 2. Now take f of x is equal to what? X squared plus 2x minus 8. What is x squared plus 2x minus 8? It is a polynomial function. So we can write, since fx is a polynomial function, it is continuous on closed interval minus 4 2. Now what is f dash x? F dash x is equal to 2x plus 2. And this 2x plus 2 is defining in closed interval minus open interval minus 4 2. That means you can find out the value of this f dash x in between minus 4 and 2, whatever it is there. So we can write clearly fx is differentiable on open interval minus 4 2. Now what is f of minus 4? Minus 4 squared plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8. So 16 minus 8 minus 8. 16 minus 16. What is answer? 0. And what is f of 2? F of 2 is 2 squared plus 2 into 2 minus 8. That is 4 plus 4 minus 8. 8 minus 8. What is answer? 0. So what you can say? F of minus 4 is equal to what? F of 2. The third condition of Rolle's theorem is also satisfying. So now what you can say? Then there exists a C in open interval minus 4 2 such that f dash c is equal to what? 0. What is f dash c? 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2c is equal to what? Minus 2. C is equal to what? Minus 1. Minus 1 is a number between minus 4 and 2. Minus 1 is a number between minus 4 and 2. So this is the way we have to find out or verify Rolle's theorem. And before concluding this, just I want to tell one more thing. Suppose f of x is equal to log x. I want to tell about differentiability. Minus 1 1. What is f dash x? F dash x is 1 by x. Is it existing in open interval minus 1 1? No, because in between minus 1 and 1 there is a number 0. If you put a 0 1 by 0, is it possible to define 1 by 0? No. So in this case, this is not differentiable. Differentiable, this is the meaning. Differentiable is what? F dash x you have to find, it should exist in the open interval. Here f of x is log x. F dash x is 1 by x. F dash x is 1 by x. 1 by x is not satisfying a point 0 because 1 by 0 is not defined, so it is not differentiable. So what is Rolle's theorem? Rolle's theorem means fx is a function continuous on closed interval AB, differentiable in open interval AB, f of a is equal to f of b. Then there exists a c in open interval AB such that f dash c is equal to 0. So you have to find out the value of c such that it should be in between a and b. Now, next, mean value theorem. Mean value theorem, we will tell it as Lagrange's mean value theorem also. Lagrange's mean value theorem also. So Lagrange's mean value theorem means f is a function defined from closed interval AB to R and it is continuous on closed interval AB, differentiable in open interval AB, same as Rolle's theorem, but the third condition is not there. Then there exists a C in open interval AB such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. What is this f of b actually? So you know y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. So f of b is actually, this is actually y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 formula actually. This is Actually, what is this? This is called slope. So f dash c, that means derivative of the function at the point c is equal to what? Slope. Slope of the line joining a f of a, b f of b. A f of a, b f of b. F of b minus f of a by b minus a. That means slope of a line is equal to y2 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. So mean value theorem is like this only. What is mean value theorem? So what is Lagrange's mean value theorem? Fx is continuous on closed interval AB. Fx is differentiable on open interval AB. F of, then there exists a C in open interval AB such that f dot C is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Actually, this is slope of the line. So, derivative of the function at C is equal to slope of the line joining a f of a and b f of b. Now, verify LMV for the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 3 on closed interval minus 1 4. Closed interval minus 1 4. So what is our f of x? Fx is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 3. Since fx is a polynomial function, it is continuous on closed interval minus 1 4. Now what is f dash x? 2x minus 4. This 2x minus 4 is existing, is clearly existing on open interval minus 1 4. Then there is a c in open interval minus 1 4 such that f dash c is equal to f of 4 minus f of minus 1 by 4 plus 1. What is f of 4? 4 squared minus 4 into 4 minus 3 minus 1 squared minus 4 into minus 1 minus 3 by 5. What is our f dash c? 2c minus 4. So 16 minus 16, that will go. That means minus 3. Here minus 1 squared 1. 1 plus 4 5. 5 minus 3 2. 5 minus 3 minus 2 by 5. So minus 5 by 5. That is minus 1. So 2c minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Implies c is equal to what? 3 by 2. This 3 by 2 is a number between minus 1 and 4. 3 by 2 is a number between minus 1 and 4. So what you can say, Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified. So these are the two things we have to study. What are Rolle's theorem? What is Rolle's theorem? Fx is continuous on closed interval AB, differentiable on open interval AB, f of a is equal to f of b. Then there is a c in open interval AB such that f dash c is equal to 0. This is called what? Rolle's theorem. Now, Lagrange's mean value theorem. Fx is continuous in closed interval AB, differentiable in open interval AB, f of, then there is a C in open interval AB such that f dash C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A. This is called what? Lagrange's mean value. C should be in between open interval A and B. This is called what? Lagrange's mean value theorem. So the remaining problem I will do later on.